I think I have always been a researcher. I have been, in a way, I have been always like very interested in, people. And you cannot be creative if you are not curious. And I believe everybody is creative. Sustainability is important for me because I care about the planet. It's my home, everybody's home. During crisis, the most vulnerable people are the ones who suffer the most. So I also think that fighting for sustainability is a way to fight for society, for gender. Women and children are the ones that suffer the most when there is a crisis. So sustainability or climate change actually covers a lot of problems at the same time. Like, what does it mean to live well?